Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blows. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. A few days ago I got this in the mail and I believe it's from Groview. They sent me a LED projector. I had one of these things a long time ago, 10 or 15 years ago. And back then these things were like thousands of dollars, you know what I mean? But I believe this thing is, believe it or not, under $100 on Amazon. Crazy how prices have just gone so cheap. Oh, I believe this might be a white sheet. Well, in anticipation of this review, I actually put a white blanket in the back. Put this on the floor later, shut off all the lights, and see if it works. But it's nice that they gave you a white sheet. I'll use it for Halloween as a ghost. So nothing else in the box, just padding and insulation. It's a small unit, look at that. The one that I used to have was like the size of a big laptop, you know what I mean? Really thick too. I also had one of those antique ones too, where you put negative slides from your 35mm camera to watch slides. Those were expensive back then too. Wow, this is cool, huh? Check this out. Groview. You've got your HDMI and USB inputs along with audio-visual plug and headset inputs. This is the front part. This is obviously the infrared for your remote control. Here's a dust cap. There's your lens. I believe that could be a speaker or, oh, I know, it's a focus to rotate the lens. And here you have your power button, refresh, up, down, left, right, and OK buttons for probably on-screen stuff. Also an infrared input here. This could be also another speaker. This is air vents. Rubber stoppers on the back. And I believe you can turn this in or out so you can adjust the height. Point it up or down, you know. And I didn't even read the instructions to figure all that out, you know. If you're around my age, you've been through things in your life that you understand. That's the power plug. So very cool. In the box also you have the power plug I just mentioned, RCA cables into a headset jack type input, HDMI cable included, and a remote control. Now I hate it when you buy something and you're ready to use it and there's no batteries included. Will they include batteries? Oh man. I doubt it. There's no batteries. So if there's no batteries, depends on what kind of battery I need. Oh, okay. AAA. I think I have AAA. But it'd be nice if you gave the batteries too, you know? How much do batteries cost? Just add $1 into the price, you know? It saves people from having to go out and buy some if they don't have it, you know? It's just part of marketing, you know? Have it included. Batteries have always been not included. Make it from now on batteries included, because it's a pain. So I had to take apart my flashlight to find it. So also it in the box comes with instructions. Get out of here, we don't need instructions. Forget about it. Not to mention the fact that, look, this is like a novel. You think I'm going to sit there and read all this stuff? Are you crazy? Figure it out. I know, I'm so dramatic. All right, well, looks like I'm going to have to interface this to my, let's say, my phone, my iPhone, right? So, as you can see, you plugged it in, you got the power button that's lit up red here. When you press it, I'm sure it'll turn on, but I won't do that yet. I'm gonna go get my iPhone cable and attach it into one of those USB ports. my lightning into my phone, the other end into my USB. There's USB 1 and USB 2. I'll connect it into one. And then I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not gonna, I'm gonna. Now it turns blue, and look at that. Cool. I might have to shut off the lights for this. Look at that. You guys see that? I'm going to go shut off the lights. Okay. So I've turned off the lights in the garage, closed the door. I still have a little bit of glare from that window over there. So I apologize. And it's pointed right there. But you can get the picture, right? This part here, what I thought was a speaker, actually is you can rotate it to focus better. See? So now that's much clearer. See, now it's not that clear. You can like turn it, and now it's clearer. So I'm using these up, down, left, and right buttons, and you can select between video, music, text, photo, audio visual, HDMI, service support, and settings. Let's just press video for a second and see what happens. Maybe I should read the directions, huh? So I've been at this for about an hour. I have tried a iPhone 13, an Android Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, an S8 Edge, and I have not been able to get anything to come on this screen. You got to go to Screen Mirror. Once you go there, you'll have a screen that tells you 3 different ways to do it. Connect with iOS phone, connect with an Android, or you can simply plug and play with the cables, which I have done with both iOS and Android. And I also tried the Wi-Fi as well. I have never seen any of my screens on that screen, ever. Doesn't seem to work at all. I mean, when I click video, nothing happens. When I click music, nothing happens. When I click photo, nothing happens. Click text, nothing happens. When I click AV, audio visual, it does go to a screen, but I don't have an AV input, you know. You would plug in probably one of those 35mm plugs in there. It says no signal, see? I could plug in an HDMI, but, I mean, am I going to play a video game on here or something? That's not what I want to do. I want to cast whatever's on my phone onto the big screen. That's what I want to do, right? When you go to settings, it only tells you the standard picture, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projection mode, front, display 100%, and that's it. You know, that's all there is in settings. And server support is just a screen that tells you phone numbers. So when you want to use your phones to broadcast whatever you want to have on your phone onto the screen, you have to use Screen Mirror, which is right there. When you do that, it just tells you the 3 different ways you can do it. Wi-Fi for iOS, Wi-Fi for Android, or plug and play. I've tried all 3 several times, and I have yet to see any of these screens onto that screen. All I see is that. That's all I see. It says loading, and it goes right back here again. So, you know what? It doesn't work. So, the review is busted. So I've spent about 2 hours trying to get this to work. I'm not going to try anymore. It's pretty useless if you can't get it to work, right? And it should be easy to install for you to get it to work. So while it does broadcast something on there, it's not what you want to broadcast. You want to be able to watch a movie, right? Or YouTube or something on your phone. 2 phones, 2 hours, nothing. So this is just a piece of junk. Sorry, but you should make it easier for people to plug and play. Plug and play means You plug it in and you play. I've plugged it in for about 2 hours and I can't play anything. Anyway, that's my review of the Groview Projector. Fail! See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Oh my god, what a fucking nightmare!
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.